Hello, guys, and welcome to Instant Nerd. Today, I will be showing you how to create TikTok ads pixel. So, how do you create a TikTok ads pixel? So, first, what you want to do is you want to go to ads.tiktok.com on your browser. Of course, you want to log in, and then, you want to click on Tools. You want to click on Events. And then after that, you want to click on Get Started. And then you want to click on Web. Then click on Next. And then you want to paste the link to your website. Click on Next. And then you want to select Manual Setup because it is better compared to the first option. Then select Next. And then you want to click on TikTok Pixel. Click on Next. And then you want to enter a name for your pixel. Click on Next. Click on Create. And then, after that, you want to copy the base code. And then, you want to go to your Shopify website or any other website. But I'm going to demonstrate it with Shopify. You want to click on these three dots. And then you want to click on Edit Code. And then after that, this would appear. And then you want to click on Theme.liquid. And then, as you can see here, this is the base code. You basically just want to paste it here. And then, make sure to click on Save. Then after that, once you're done, you want to click on Next. And then, you want to click on Enable Automatic Advanced Matching and Enable First-Party Cookies. Click on Next. And then, you want to click on Launch Event Builder. And, of course, you need to paste the link to your website. Click on Next. And then you just want to click on Finish. And you're done. So, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Please leave a like and subscribe.